That's good. Right then. Challenge day today. Now, you are one of my students who is so close to getting close to test standards and driving confidently more and more so. We're building on posure, we're building on consistency. But you still haven't done your freaking theory test.
I tried.
So you're like the person that's ready for the cinema at 9 o'clock ticket and you're queuing up at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What's the point? You're ready for the film. you're like... So, we really need to get this fast track, this theory test, when you get it done, and then we'll get you, and then we'll bring the test forward around like that. Because I want you out of my life, basically now.
Oh.
There we go.
You'll miss me on a Friday morning.
I must say, you've got a beautiful. You did your show yesterday, didn't you? I just thought about that. Because look at the colour of you.
Don't look at the hair. It's all slicked back.
I'm sure there's some sequins lurking around. How did the show go? How did it go?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
First one, I've got 4 left.
Is this Frozen?
Yeah.
And you're Elsa?
Yeah.
Traditionally,
Elsa's
a role for someone with dark hair, of course.
I'm really pale.
Elsa is, ask any 5-year-old what colour is Elsa's hair, and they'll all say brunette.
Yeah. And if she's like, what colour's her skin tone? It's like really tanned.
Yeah. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
No.
Sorry to interrupt, but if you're learning to drive, you need to become a member and get access to a Learn to Drive course. Absolutely comprehensive videos, small fee each month, videos added all the time. Learn to Drive just using our videos. Anyway, what we're going to do today, we're going to improve your skills of meeting and passing. There's no better place than doing it outside Robert Smythe at 8:36. And we're going to do a tour of schools. So the consequences are, if you get it wrong, and I get it wrong, we probably run a child over. So we don't want to do that. So there's an incentive there. Like we don't both get arrested for something like that.
That's hard
So
to be arrested.
you're on a hill, so it gives a lovely opportunity to show and prowess your clutch skills. Move driver when you're ready. This is going to be emotional. That's great, but where was your signal warning that car behind?
It failed to.
Do you think it would have benefited people?
Yes.
Good start. Good start. Good start.
It's too focused on not rolling backwards.
Ah, so that's not good, is it? In its own. Let's carry on then.
Right, so he's going.
You're doing this on your own, by the way. I'll just sit here and admire your marvellous meeting passing, your adequate passing distances. Really? Okay, so that's a test fail. Why is that a test fail?
Not sure.
Who-
Yeah, priority.
Yes, so what did you do unnecessarily?
Speed up to that.
No,
I'll speed
you
up.
unnecessarily made that person stop because of you.
Okay.
Unnecessary because where should you have stopped?
Further back.
For the car on the left, let them come through and it's your chance to go through. So that worked out well, didn't it?
Yeah.
So when you saw that car coming there, you had an opportunity of pulling in, did you assess the situation and go, yeah, this is the least risky thing that we can do here? So, bear that in mind. Let's carry on then. Now, we're kind of committed here, aren't we?
That's what we got.
So nice and steady. You're going to turn right down Ridgeway, please. Is it? Oh, gosh, look at this. Oh, which gear are you going to be in here, Keith? Move up, shuffle it up. Go up to the point of turn still.
Fit in there.
No, you're not going to go in there.
So I can see the point of turn because it's blocked my
Exactly. So where those people there and there should have stopped back there and we could
He's
have gone
letting
round.
me go.
You can't go round.
Yeah, I know.
Now, did you see my slightly over-exaggerated hand gestures to make a point to the other road users?
No,
That wasn't for your benefit. That was me mildly chastising full licence holders. That's okay. There's enough gap there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So really, a minimum distance is probably about 40 centimetres or so. But if you're at that speed, we've got to be dead slow.
Yeah. Oh, is that?
Follow the road down. So that was school number 1.
Yeah.
This
Sorry,
is
Robert,
now.
sorry.
We're now going to go to Ridgeway.
Yeah.
Now the targets are smaller now, Eve.
I'm I'm not going to hit a child.
Yeah, so this is a primary school. They're harder to spot, and the more, well,
at least they're not
arguably more random, perhaps.
Well, at least they're not on their phones, to be fair.
Well, hopefully not. Hopefully they haven't got phones at that age. Keep rolling, though. Keep rolling. Do you remember? Can we get 2 through there? Or not? Why don't you start turning now? Because it looks like you're driving to the back of a car at the moment. So look how close you've got to that car unnecessarily. But you're just driving forwards.
Okay.
Would you have done that if that car hadn't been there, or those cars hadn't been coming this way? Is that how you would have gone past that car? Brilliant. When you're turning right, what does an oncoming car do to your pathway through? Does it change it or just delay it?
Delay it rather than.
So you're going around the car, it should be the same thing. Stop where your point of turn is going to be.
Yeah.
Unless you have to really nudge up to get people through. All a car coming the other way is doing is slowing your progress, or temporarily stopping your progress until it's cleared.
No children here.
So likewise, you wouldn't have gone down there and out like that, would you?
No.
Thing is, you see a car coming, just keep on driving. You're focusing on the car. You're not focusing on your surroundings. That's what that's telling me. Keep on going then. It's good fun, this meeting and passing, isn't it? And it's such anyone can just drive down the dual carriageway at 70. Oh, look at me driving down the country road. Oh, look at me. Yeah, well done. You're keeping a car between 2 lines and you put your foot on the gas pedal. Not a lot of skill.
Yeah. No.
Relative to what this is.
Yeah.
Because this is mental skills.
You have to assess.
Assessing, planning, looking, assessing, deciding, acting accordingly. There's a lot going on. It's very easy. And if you get focused on one thing, everything else is random. Are you going to stay safe or not?
And because there's so many things like.
So many things. So just keep a course of action. Again, we can get 2 through there if they weren't so greedy. Look how greedy they were. They were going to go. Who said turn right? I'm going to turn left. We're going to Little Bowden then. We've got another school to go to.
Don't like vans, do I?
Well, that's what the van's doing, is the matter. The van's alright, it's what the van's doing. You do have you've got form with vans today, though, haven't you?
Yeah. I could have gone, but I didn't know.
Could have gone, but would I mark you down if you left that?
So I couldn't really see how fast he was going.
Okay, well, so if you're uncertain, we don't go to 100% sure, do we?
No.
Because even 99% sure.
Yeah.
People pay the lottery to have a 14 to 1,000,001 chance of getting their way.
Yeah, I don't really.
100 to 1 chance is not that much. What's this sign here? It's telling us here.
Slow down.
Yeah, good.
Just missed the green. But that's fine.
I think that's the best place to start. Again, think if that was on green, how would you be going through the traffic light like that? So don't go any further than this. Even if it says wait here.
Yeah, you're not going to wait on top of the sign.
There's nothing. You're not holding anything up behind. It's a nice pathway through. You certainly shouldn't go beyond their sign because you would be not responding to road signs.
Yeah. What are they actually doing?
I don't think they started yet.
Of course they haven't.
Who's actually activated this? Is that gas? No, it's Southern Trent water.
So it's always.
Nice mirror check on the right, by the way. Now, did that mirror check just happen, or did you go, oh, I must check right?
No, I thought it
was it a
just
subconscious
happened.
thing?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good sign, isn't it?
I didn't even realise I like.
Well, there we go. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
So you're starting to want to look down the side because it's happening subconsciously.
Rather than
I must remember to look on the right because Richard told me. You buy to the Y. So these are all positive affirmations. Is that the word I'm looking for?
Yeah.
Now, slow down a bit, because if a car comes, you would be expecting us to come in there. Again, it's that what if speed. If there's no cars there, it's really slow. We'll get to there, actually. Just go a bit faster in this case. Now, you went for a break, but you're committed. So really, you want to get out of there.
Yeah, speeding up would probably
help. If it's safe to do so, but he's going to clear it a bit easier for you.
Yeah.
So, a lot of the times, we may be increasing the speed to be safe.
Oh, the yummy mummies going to Bowden stores.
Yes. Drop the kids off and go for Bowden stores.
Bowden stores breakfast with the guys.
Yeah, so it's Benedict to die for.
Left us right on.
Oh yeah,
Oh, you just love me that much.
Maybe a touch early on the signal.
Oh yeah, because I would have thought of that. Yeah, sorry. Okay, what's after that?
Okay, got another school here. This is Great Bowden. It's not quite so spectacular, is it? it's a bit off the beaten track, this one.
Yeah.
So it's probably more sensible. I don't know why they put schools on the main road. It should just be off the main road.
It's not really a car park either.
No. You should have getting a bit earlier than that.
Yeah.
So you made that car unnecessarily slow down, in my opinion. There, I think looking around the corner.
Yeah.
What do you think was the best? Is it less risk to get out that road quicker, sooner rather than later?
Sooner.
So again, this is where a thought process has to be there. Now, at the moment, this is going to be a conscious thought process. That has to become a subconscious thought process. The way you look down the right-hand side about thinking about it.
Yeah.
But you got to train your brain to be looking down there and looking for the right thing. Otherwise, it will never happen. And of course, you can pass your driving test without any of these incidences. Yeah. And there you go. You're on the road, and you're not really at a safe enough standard. That's in my opinion.
Yeah.
What the DVSA think is a safe standard, I don't think is a safe standard at all. Or more to the point, DVSA aren't testing you, are they, necessarily, unless something happens?
Yeah, and it's so short that you don't really like the actual test.
It's not a great assessment, is it?
No. What would you do to change the test?
Make it an assessment. Make it staggered. I would get people up.
Stages.
I would get people up to a certain standard. Okay. You can now put a P plate on, but it means you don't go out at night time. You don't have passengers. You don't go more than 5 miles from your house. So it's enough to again get the safe enough, get the experience, and then take yourself off the test. I'd stagger it.
Yeah.
Graduated, sort of.
Yeah, like I'm getting a master's in driving. That's not good. Would you ever do it so like the instructors would give people like?
Oh, I think it could be done that way.
Do you know what I mean? Like you'd be like, you're ready now.
Well, you've all got a driver number. If you said you're ready, you have accidents and it's against your driver number, then I'll be liable for how come you've got a high percentage of accidents. Should go a little bit faster.
Yeah.
What's the speed limit?
40.
So it's not.
50.
You're guessing. You see Mr. Sign.
Okay.
We'll go around again and see if we can spot it.
Okay. I know it's 30 once you get to this bit.
Yeah, that's good, but it's not here, is it? So it's changed from something.
Yeah. I thought it was 40.
Okay. Why did you base that? Did you see a sign that said 40? So how did you know it's 40?
Oh yeah, I don't know.
You're not making any sense.
No, sorry. Am I going down Ridgeway?
No. Nice try.
Really?
You're going past Robert's 5 at 8:47. And it's gone past the busy time now. Damn it.
It wasn't busy when I tried to turn into Ridgeway.
So this is really good practice, as long if you're doing private driving. Move away from that curb slightly, just to heat. You see all the black marks down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder how they got there.
I'll proceed because they're weighted. The cars are on that side of the road. So.
Got through that.
Thank you.
Next hazard, happy?
Yeah.
See, that's the nice pathway through. It's certainly not that, is it?
No.
No, done. I don't think you passed my Robert Smythe test.
Apart from I didn't signal when I pulled off at the hill.
At the beginning?
Yeah.
And then you ploughed through?
Yeah. But I was just
But
trying...
apart from that, apart from the minor fault for not checking your mirror or signalling, and then just putting it in front of someone who had the priority, apart from that...
Yeah.
But that's what it takes.
Yeah, I know.
So the driving test in a lot of ways is very unfair, but then again it's very slack at the same time.
I didn't, I mean it might be just in my head, I didn't even realise, like when you're like, oh you failed that one, I was like, what did I do?
If that's
it wasn't,
said,
do you know what I mean? It wasn't obvious, like it was you, but...
From my experience, I think the examiners do very well with the tools they're provided and the rules they have to work through, the framework they have to work through. I think they work very fair, but I just think the test itself is not really that fit for purpose at the end of the day.
No.
Turning right, please. Not going to signal early, are you here? Because it looks like you're going to a car park. I would have suggested now you can signal right. That's it. Are you going to change gear or are you going to cruise all the way? Why are you on the clutch then?
In this bit, would I signal? Because you can only turn left.
Does a 6-year-old know what signs road signs are?
That's true.
Hold your horses. Are you okay with that?
Yeah,
They're using reflections there, aren't we? Yeah. Have you noticed? I always ask the question with a question for you to think about the answer. Which is good, isn't it? Remember, you're signalling for the benefit of other road users, including all pedestrians.
Doesn't have to be, yeah, okay. Because like, it's like, should I be signalling? Because obviously you can only go one way.
Well, if it benefits
but if
people,
it benefits
it's
people,
more benefit now I'm turning in. It's more of a benefit going, yeah, I am going that way. But also, if you came from that way, how do you know that's a one-way street? The
Yeah.
signs are facing the other way.
True. Left or right?
Left. Yeah, okay, so I will give you a direction there. The other ones, you only have one way to go, you won't get a direction.
You let me go.
I think they've let you out.
It's my good old Paddington house.
Have you got an air fryer?
No, I haven't. Have you?
No.
I really want one.
I want
though.
one. I think I want one.
I think it just makes it easier
For what?
cooking.
Huh?
I mean, not like I cook.
Yeah.
But I probably would have got an air fryer. I'm going to get a mini one when I go to uni, I think.
Get a big one. All your friends will love you.
Yeah, but they better not mess it up.
Or you have me to answer for.
I'm not very scary.
Yeah, no, you're not actually. You're probably one of the least scary people I know. I can't imagine you being angry. It'd be
I can't
hilarious.
do confrontation.
I think if you got angry, I'd just start laughing. To be perfectly honest, Eve.
Yeah, probably. I've never got angry. No, I have before. Not
What do you get angry about? What's the last thing you got angry about?
got angry about. Probably.
We're going to follow the road. We go left at the
Traffic lights.
following traffic lights. Yeah, don't go left here. That'd be daft.
Into Specsavers. Oh no, not Specsavers. What's it? Joe Malone. Oh dear, that'd be an expensive one.
Did you say go to Specsavers?
No, I meant Joe Malone.
Have you put your contacts in today?
I don't know why I said Specsavers. I do know that's Joe Malone. Don't worry, Richard. I can't remember the last thing I got angry about.
I can't imagine having a shop with just my name. What shop is it? It's Richard Bransby. What would I sell?
My dad's got one.
Oh, he has, yes. He is.
Paul Smith.
He is Paul Smith. Must be quite nice coming from a famous,
It
rich
is.
family like that.
It is nice. Yeah, no, Eve Smith's a bit of a daft name. I'd have my middle name. I'd have my middle name.
What is your middle name?
Yes.
Margaret.
Begins with an R.
Rosemary. Rose West.
No.
Rebecca. Gotta be Rebecca.
Yeah. What's yours?
My middle name?
Can I guess?
Yeah, go on.
John.
Yes!
It's actually. Is it actually?
Yes!
Is it actually?
Yes,
you
it
know,
is,
you're
yes.
taking the piss.
No, honestly.
Is it actually John?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. Yes, Eve.
Wow. So you're very psychic. Shame we can't predict cars coming the other way though, isn't it?
Left or straight? Oh, car out. Yeah.
See what I did there? I gave you one hand and just took with the other. Gonna have 5 minutes of Richard not being sarcastic.